Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn 1000 naira every day for yourself using this website called SideGig. Okay, so if you are a freelancer or you are just starting out online, you are looking a way to raise money for yourself, you are looking for a way to start out in online space, or you are looking for a place to earn an extra income for yourself as a beginner, this is the best place for you. Okay, so this site is a freelancing site in Nigeria that pays directly to your bank account. Okay, what you have to do is just to perform simple tasks like liking a post, subscribing, hitting the bell icon, or just commenting on the post, and you get paid for it. So the website is called SideGig. You can just head over to go over to sidegig.com, sidegig.co, sidegig.co. As you can see in the website now, find the best freelancers online for tasks. Okay, you can create tasks or you can join as a freelancer. So if you want to join up, I prefer you join as a freelancer. Once you click on that link, you are going to provide your details. Now, earn more income completing simple gigs. Join over 1000. Okay, join over 100 freelancers already earning on SideGig. Okay, so how it works now, this is the amount that has been earned on SideGig: over 200 million plus amount earned. Job completed 240,000 job completed, and they have over 100,000 freelancers. As you can see, this site is a very reliable site. These are what people are saying concerning SideGig. Okay, so as you can see, these are review for people. SideGig helped me a lot. I have earned over 250k with SideGig. I'm not getting my spending money with SideGig, and even the phone I'm chatting with now, I bought it with the help of SideGig. As you can see, these are reviews from freelancers like you who are performing tasks on this SideGig. So with this simple site, you can be earning as much as 1,000 every day. If you have at least 1 hour to 2 hours to spare, you can be earning as much as 1,000 above every day for yourself. Now, you are going to just click on this start earning. Then you are going to fill in your information, as you can see right here: your username, your first name, your last name, your Gmail, your password. You confirm your password, make sure it's a strong password. Then your phone number. Your phone number must not contain the plus icon, and you enter your referral username. You can choose to leave the referral blank. It's not compulsory, but you can earn an extra income by also referring your family and friends to SideGig. Now, what we're going to do right now is just to fill in this information: your username, your first name, down to this place. I'm going to go over and fill them up right now. Okay, so once you have created your account, now you're going to read through this information. Now you're going to just come over. Now the requirement for withdrawal is 5k. That means you must have at least 5k in your SideGig account or your SideGig wallet before you can withdraw to your Nigeria bank account. Okay, at least one linked social media. Now just go through this thing: access to complete SideGig. You must at least take your time to go through every piece of information in this page. Okay, premium Instagram comment 15 naira, premium TikTok comment 15 naira per gig, premium Facebook comment 15 naira per gig, and premium YouTube comment is 15 naira per gig. Streaming music 10 to 25 naira per gig, completing surveys 10 to 15 naira per gig, and so much and so on. These are the premium plan. That means the premium plan. The premium plan, this is what they enjoy. Now you have to complete updating your account before getting started. Now you have to activate your account. Then you just click on start here. Then you have to send OTP to your phone number so that they can verify that you are the one that owns this very number. Now an OTP has been sent to my number. I'm going to copy it and paste it right here. So I'm just going to copy and paste it and verify my OTP. So right now my OTP has been verified and I'm logging into my account. What I'm going to do right now is to link my one of my social media account. Is advisable to link all your social media account because you are going to be using this social media account to complete this task. I'm just going to link my Instagram. Let me just click on add new. I'm going to add my username. So social media account created successfully. Now I'm going to also maybe enter my TikTok username so that as you can see, you can enter your Twitter, your TikTok account, your Facebook account, your YouTube account. Make sure you update all this so that when completing tasks, SideGig can easily check and review your task through your profile account. So we are done with that. We are going to just move to dashboard. We are going to check dashboard. As you can see, I have 0 naira in my wallet. Completed job is 0. and I have 90 total active job. Now you have 90 total active job. That means I have like 90 job I can do right now. That means this job are active. Okay. Now it's to be noted that all amounts settled in Naira currency. That means all the tasks you'll be completing are being settled in Naira currency. Okay, you must link your social media account to submit gig. Okay, meaning I have not updated my social media account. They're asking me to go and update it. Okay, I'm just going to hover around and just going to, these are the trendy tasks right now. Okay, these are follow IG, that means follow IG account 3 naira, follow IG account 3 naira. These are tasks. I'll just come over to task. Then over here, these are tasks. Post like 2 naira, post like 2 naira. These are post like 2 naira. Okay, this is post like 2 naira. As you can see, you can easily just go and search for any task to complete right here. So if you have at least 1 hour to 2 hours to spare every day, you can be earning at least 1,000 from this very site. Invite friends. You can earn, okay, as you can see, 0 referral benefits, 0 friends register. You can just copy your referral code right here, share it with your friends, and invite them and earn little commission from it. So the new referral program is to endeavor our user earn more from SiteGive. You can earn at least 0.67% of every approved or processed withdrawals from users you refer. That means every user you refer, any of their processed withdrawals, you earn 0.67% of the money. That means if you refer 100 people, that means any amount they withdraw, you'll be earning a certain commission from their amount. Okay, now that's how you can easily hover around SiteGive. So there are also prizes you can also win, as you can see right here. Play and win. Do you like to play games? Do you know you could win prizes such as surveillance, a laptop, iPhone, and gift card, download game? So you can easily go through all those things if you want to earn an extra income for yourself, and you can easily upgrade to their premium plan, of which you'll be earning as high as 12 naira, 25 naira, 15 naira per gig. Okay, you want to so just put your serial number, then you submit request, then you can easily upgrade. I believe their premium plan is a paid premium plan. You have to pay a certain amount before you can upgrade and start earning big. Okay, that's how you can easily go over SiteGive. Alright, so this is just a simple tutorial on how to go over SiteGive. So if you want to withdraw your money, you just come over to payment, then you come to withdraw, then you put your amount here. Let's say you just put 5,000 here, then you put your username, then just click on continue, then you select your bank details, then you submit complete withdrawal, then the amount will be paid directly to your account. So this is it on SiteGive. So with this site, you can earn at least 1,000 naira for yourself every single day if you dedicate at least 1 hour to 2 hours to complete the task in this site. With this, you can at least raise a certain amount of money for yourself. You can easily use this as a side hustle and a side business for yourself. As a beginner starting out online, you can easily use this freelancing site to earn an extra income for yourself. Thanks for watching to this far. I believe you got value from this content. If you got value, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you anytime I release valuable content like this. Thanks for staying true, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.